All right, let's talk about penis sleeves. So according to my very extensive hands-on and experiential research, a penis sleeve is sometimes called a penis extender, a penis enhancer, a penis sheath. It's something that's worn around the penis during sex, so typically it's made from silicone or rubber. It's a wearable sex toy of sorts. So it can make sex more enjoyable for you and your partner. According to the manufacturers, they can have internal ribbing or external ribbing for added pleasure for you or your partner. They can add length, they can add girth, they can add a vibrating function. Penis sleeves claim to make penetrative sex more enjoyable or easier if you're impacted by erectile dysfunction, because they say it can stay firm, the penis sleeve itself can stay firm, even if you are not. So does that, as a board-certified urologist, nationally recognized expert in sexual wellness and the senior vice president of sexual health for HIMSS, does that make sense to you?
It makes a little bit of sense, maybe. I could see that maybe being helpful for people who are able to achieve kind of 50 or 60% erections, but it does sound to me like anybody who has more severe erectile dysfunction who can't achieve, up to like a 50% erection. Anything lower than that, my guess is that something like that would be very difficult to wear. And
because if you're not staying hard, it's probably going to fall off.
That's right, and if it maintains its own shape, I can't imagine that a flaccid penis would be in enough contact with the internal components of it to really allow for physical pleasure derived from penile sensation.
Right.
It does sound like maybe there's an advantage by enabling some sort of penetrative intercourse for couples for whom that's not possible. So, good job, Chad. I'm learning here. Thank you.
Fair enough. So, you all know now what a penis sleeve is, but I bet you're wondering, how do you put it on?
Yeah, I am wondering that, Chad.
Well, Dr. Pete,
today's my lucky day.
I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you how to put a penis sleeve on in a step-by-step fashion. So the first thing that you do is you're going to slide the penis sleeve over your penis. You're going to secure a stretchy loop behind your scrotum. So there's sort of a harness, like a rubber band, like a horse reins for your boys that hold the penis sleeve onto your penis. That sound right?
You tell me, Professor.
It sounds right. Okay. So some of these sleeves are going to cover the entire penis. Some of them are going to have an open end, so they rest along the shaft of your penis, but the head of your penis sticks out from the shaft. Sounds like for the best fit, you're going to have to choose the right size of a penis sleeve, so you should typically measure your penis. And if you are wondering the proper way to measure the length of your penis, check out our video on the average penis size, in which Dr. Pete tells us about the chapter he literally wrote on how to measure your penis and how to do that. So you're going to find the best fit for your penis based on your penis size, because you want something that fits snugly, but not so tight that it's uncomfortable. We don't want any penis strangling going on. Sounds like a fun addition to the bedroom, but also there can be a few downsides to penis sleeves. So we already learned one of these downsides, that not technically a medical device.
Yeah, I think not a medical device in really any way.
So it may help if you are having trouble getting 100% firmness, but really for ED, it's not going to be a dependable treatment. Second, it sounds like they can create a different sensation during sex that some men might not love. It's something that they might not be used to and might not appreciate. And third, on the flip side of that, it creates a different sensation that your receptive sexual partner may also not find enjoyable and also might not enjoy the sensation of. So a few downsides. But the good side is that it sounds like they can be a lot of fun.
Yeah, well, now that I'm a penis sleeve expert.
You are so welcome. We're all penis sleeve experts today.
I'd like to reflect a little bit on penis sleeves. It sounds to me like what you've described is a sex toy that is an alternative to curative or therapeutic treatment for moderate to severe erectile dysfunction. So everybody who's considering a penis sleeve should also know that there are more invasive treatments than FDA-approved medications. There are injection-based treatments. There are surgical procedures for ED, but not everybody's a candidate for those procedures. Not everybody wants to have something done that's invasive or major like that. And so this does sound like a way to allow couples to continue to connect if penetrative sex with a natural or pill-assisted erection isn't possible. So I think I'm sold on penis sleeves a little bit here. Yeah.
Dr. Pete, has now become the penis sleeve expert.
I don't think I'm an expert.
So if you have questions about penis sleeves, you should call Dr. Pete directly. His phone number is 1. Thank you for coming to Uncomfortable Questions. I hope we have both made you severely uncomfortable. I know Dr. Pete is uncomfortable. I know I am shockingly uncomfortable. And if you are as uncomfortable as we are, please hit that thumbs up button and please hit that subscribe button. We have more uncomfortable content coming your way. We are going to answer all of your weirdest questions. The internet is our oyster. Please come back for more.
Thanks a lot, Chad. Always a pleasure.